man's, but it's not the most strong drugs. But usable by women 95%. They cut at the back of this one, a grinding. They put at the boil. If they boil, they make a lotion. So the commercial skin cancer prevention lotion, and they make a bright, colorful yellowish. After that, making the body lotion, women they take 2 spoons, they drink. So the eyes appearance change, be more pose eyes. So because the idle lady, they walk gracefully moving, and eyes very like sleeping eyes. They attract the men and get life marriage. So they use this one. Different with the Japan.